Alright guys, that was a quick wash of the GTI, much needed hand wash. I usually don't wash it in the winter time. I only get it pressure washed, but it's a little warmer today. Let's see, what's the temperature? 40 degrees, so 40 degrees, I figured I'd give it a quick wash. So there it is, all clean and sparkly. But since you guys are such loyal subscribers and love the GSF so much, I figure I'd give you a little sneak peek of it since we haven't seen it in a while. It's still sitting nice and pretty and covered. Let's see one of those beautiful eyes of it, shall we? Ah, there she is. Miss this thing so much, man. Can't wait for spring so we could drive it. Alright honey, back to hibernation you go. Alright guys, subscribe, like, comment below. See you on the next video. Take care.